Honorable ministers here present, senior government officials, development partners, distinguished guests, a very good morning. Today, I'm very happy. I'm really very happy to join you for the official launch of the key findings from the Integrated Household Living Conditions Survey. This moment is not just about presenting a report. It is a reflection of on how far we have come, a recognition of the milestones we have achieved, and the affirmation of our shared commitment to a brighter future. The numbers from this report are more than just statistics. They represent real improvements in the lives of our people. Data were collected according to the international standards in collaboration with our partners to ensure their accuracy and reliability. As we publish the report findings, I'm not going to focus much on the numbers, since the most important ones have already been presented. But I must come back to three key indicators that strongly reflect the improvement in the well-being of our people, of Rwandans. The first interesting one is the poverty reduction, where the poverty rate decreased from 39% to 27.4% in 7 years, from 2017 to 2024. The second one is about the extreme poverty, which has dropped from 11.3% to 5.4%, also in a period of 7 years. The third one, which is a very encouraging figure, and resulting from the two previous ones, is the nominal figure of 1.5 million Rwandans who have been lifted out of poverty. That is very interesting. These achievements were realized over the 7 years of implementing the first national strategy of transformation, which is known as NST1. They were driven mainly by strategic investments made by the Government of Rwanda and its partners over the last 7 years. Additionally, the long-standing social protection schemes played an important role in improving the well-being of our citizens. These efforts have effectively contributed to the creation of income-generating activities and job opportunities in Rwanda. And it is a clear demonstration of the impact that can be achieved through good planning and effective implementation. In particular, as the report findings indicate, the good speed of our post-COVID recovery has led to increased employment opportunities, especially for the active workforce, including the youth. This recovery has been aligned to growth in economic activities, estimated at an average growth of 9.1% in the last 4 years of post-COVID pandemic. And this was supported by good performance in most of our major sectors. Distinguished guests, as we began our development agenda, we established a clear vision to ensure that every Rwandan benefits from our economic growth. In this regard, it was indicated in the presentation, indicated in the presentation, one of the key findings we observed is the strong correlation between the increase in household consumption and the economic growth. This relationship is a reflection of the steady improvement in income levels, employment opportunities, and social welfare initiatives. It also means that families are able to afford better nutrition, improved health care, quality of education for their children, and an overall higher standard of living. Distinguished guests, much as we have seen these good achievements, we are mindful that we still have a lot to do in our development journey to become a poverty-free Rwanda. In this regard, we must continue ensuring sustained investments in education and skill development in order to meet the skills required on the labor market in the future. There is no doubt that we need a skilled and healthy workforce to drive our long-term growth. Additionally, Rwanda remains committed to investing in key areas such as energy, water, sanitation, and healthcare systems. These strategic investments are designed to strengthen essential infrastructure and improve access to services that improve the quality of life for all citizens. By focusing on these critical subsectors, our government aims at creating an enabling environment where every household can participate in and benefit from our economic growth and development. Our aspirations are high, but so is our resolve. Together, we will achieve a resilient Rwanda. As a government, our goal remains clear. We are determined to make sure that no one is left behind. We want every family in every corner of Rwanda to benefit from economic development. Distinguished guests, the launch of this survey comes at a critical time. Its findings will contribute to our ongoing efforts in implementing the second national strategy for transformation, NST2, and our ambitious Vision 2050. Equally important, the survey's findings will be important in monitoring our progress towards achieving the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, and the other interventions at both global and continental level. The Government of Rwanda will continue building policies based on evidence, focused on results, and aimed at improving lives across the country. In conclusion, the government appreciates the contribution of its development partners to the achievement we are seeing today. I take this opportunity to call on policymakers, researchers, civil society, private sector, and our development partners to make good use of these findings. Let's turn numbers into actions and insights into real improvement in our people's lives. With these remarks, it's now my pleasure to declare the report of the 7th Integrated Household Living Conditions Survey officially launched. I thank you so much.